And we are live. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Mga ka-digital uh, dreamers. By the way, my name is Lori, the face behind Life with Lur, business page, a former OFW in Singapore, a mom of two, and a digital business owner. Today is one of our Today is one of those live interviews you don't want to miss. We will be talking to a fellow Filipina, a dedicated mother of three, and a nurse based in United Kingdom who took a chance on this digital business. And guess what? She's now working part-time as a nurse because her business is doing so well. Yes, she's earning more from her side hustle than her day job. And most importantly, she's getting her time and freedom back. Imagine having more time for your kids, your health, and your life without sacrificing income. If that's the kind of freedom you're dreaming of, stick around. This interview is for you. And now, drum roll please, here comes one of my biggest idols in this digital business world. The one and only Momshi Steph. Take the stage by your queen. Please introduce yourself.
Hello,
Hello.
hi. Hi, Ate. Good morning, good afternoon, good
Hi.
evening, wherever you're tuning from. Hi, my name is Stephanie. I am from London in the UK. I'm also a nurse and I'm proud mom of three and a digital business owner. So, yes, thank you for watching.
Thank you, Steph, for accepting my invite for this interview. So let's dive in. I think I will need to change our layout. Okay. I think this one is better.
Wow.
Okay, so let's dive in. For my first question, before starting this digital business, what did life look like as for you as a nurse and a mother of three?
So before starting this digital business, I was working full time before, and then I have three kids. Me and my husband were both nurses, so we're always juggling childcare and shifts. You know, working in the UK, you don't have a nanny, walang yaya dito, so ikaw
Yeah.
lahat. So because we have three kids, we can't afford to do childcare as well. So what we're doing, we alternate our shifts. So I work 3 days, my husband work 4 days. There are weeks that I work 4 days and he does the 3 days. So yun na, that's our whole 7 days of the week. Na
Mhm.
nandun na lang kami, nagjo-duty na lang kami, and then when we're off, we look after the kids, ganyan. Kasi we have a 7-year-old now, and then we have a 5 and a 3-year-old. So medyo sunod-sunod sila. So
Mhm.
kailangan talaga na may magbantay sa kanila, one of us. Yun. Kasi kung i-childcare namin, yung sahod ng isa sa amin mapupunta lang sa childcare. So might as well mag-alaga na lang kami ng anak, 'di ba? Pero yun
Yeah.
nga, that's the sacrifice that we have to do is we have to alternate our shifts. So pagod, medyo kan na kami noon, sobrang burnout na kami, pagod kami sa shifts, and then pag-uwi, wala na, tutulog na lang kami, the next day papasok na naman. So we really don't have any quality time. Before, what we do is pag annual leave kami, doon lang kami nakakalabas, ganyan, or pag mag-off sick kami, gano'n. Dito kasi sa UK, kapag syempre, pag may sakit ka, ganyan, o may mga sakit yung mga bata, they're a bit lenient naman na may mag-look after na one of the parents, so
Mhm.
pwedeng umabsent, ganyan. Pero parang ganun lang yung buhay namin, and it's a cycle. Tapos at some point, naisip namin na ganito na lang ba tayo palagi? Like, how long are we gonna be like this? Kasi kapag 18 na yung mga bata, and then parang hindi namin na-enjoy yung family time, ganyan. And then yung sahod namin, even though we're both nurses, minsan madalas kulang pa, hindi pa sapat.
Mhm.
Kasi yung mga bills, ganyan, bills are piling up, ganyan, and we're also saving ng pang-mortgage din namin. Hindi kami naka-travel outside of the UK since dumating kami. Nung bago pa kami nagkaanak, yun, nakapag-travel kami. But nung nagkaanak na kami, wala na. Wala nang
Mhm.
travel outside the UK, ganyan. Kasi sobrang tipid na tipid talaga kami. Parang niis namin, parang ano ba yan? Parang yung mga tao sa nasabi nila, wow, nasa London kayo, ganyan. Siguro ang ganda ng buhay dyan, ang saya-saya, nakapasyal kayo sa Europe. Sabi ko, reality, hindi. Andito lang kami. Trabaho lang kami ng trabaho. So yun, talagang mga 2 years ago, talagang sobrang nagpo-pray kami nung husband ko. Talagang sabi ko, Lord, please give us a way out. Kasi parang I can't be like this until retirement. And then yung mga kids namin, they're also asking na, Mommy, can we go to church? Can we have a family time? Can we go out on Sunday? Eh yun yung fixed day nung husband ko na duty. So yun, mga kwan lang, once every 2 months kaming nakapag-church, ganyan. So yun talaga, yun yung mga kwan namin, mga breaking points namin nung asawa ko na sabi namin, we have to find something else. And yun nga, by the grace of God, natagpuan ko tong business na to, ganyan. Pero pinag-pray din talaga namin, pinag-pray namin na, Lord, ito na ba yun? Ito ba yung answer mo dun sa prayer namin? Is this gonna be our way out? Yung light at the end of the tunnel, kumbaga. And that's how it
Yes.
started, and here we are. So, one
Thank you
year
for
and
that.
2 months in the business now.
I think that is my second question. What pushed you to try something totally different, an online business?
Yeah, kasi yun nga dito sa UK kung hindi ka mag-e-extra shift wala talaga. As in, parang you'll just be resorting to credit cards, to loans, paulit-ulit is a cycle. So hanggang kailan ka makakabayad? And kami, hindi na kami nakakapag-bank nga kasi fix na nga yung duty naming dalawa, 7 days na. 'Di ba? Minsan pag mag-annual leave kami, yun, mag-extra shift pa kami, ganyan. But you know, sometimes things happen like if may mga emergency sa Pilipinas, ganyan, or you know, suddenly breakdown yung sasakyan dito, even though may car insurance, syempre pag nasiraan ka ng gulong, bibili ka ng gulong, mga ganyan. And then kapag every
Yes.
year may check up yung sasakyan, pag may sira, may something na so those are added
MOT.
expenses. Yes, MOT. Alam mo
MOT.
yun, MOT every year.
Yes.
So yun extra expenses that we don't have any. So yun, parang tapos yun nga gusto rin naming mag-travel, gusto naming mamasyal, gusto naming enjoy yung mga kids namin. Lumalaki na sila, hindi na sila baby and they're asking for more time as well. So yun yung mga nag-push talaga sa amin to look for something. And ayoko na ding mag-duty. Naisip ko, kung mag-duty na lang ako mag-extra shift, instead na yun nga, magpahinga kami, magbakasyon kami, sana on annual leave, i-duty pa namin. Parang hindi eh. Hindi talaga yun yung parang long-term na solution. So yun,
Yes.
and then naisip ko parang ang daming mga nag-earn online. So naghahanap talaga ako. I was actively looking for things online. Nagtitingin ako ng virtual assistant, nagtitingin-tingin ako dati sa Upwork, mga ganyan. Pero parang naisip ko parang hindi sa akin 'to, parang hindi ko 'to kaya, mga ganyan. Parang yung commitment, parang yung lagi kang nakatutok sa laptop and phone, hindi rin, eh, ayoko rin ng gano'n. So talagang naghanap
Yes.
ako ng something flexible, ganyan, works around my time, I'm earning, yung kaya ko, sa tingin ko kaya ko talaga. So yun, and then I found this business. Yun,
Okay.
through another mom and a nurse, nakita ko lang yung post niya online and then yun, that's the start.
Okay. And then how did you manage your time and energy in the beginning, being a full-time nurse and a hands-on mom?
Yeah. So, ang ginagawa ko lang talaga do'n is, what I can do sabi ko is mga 1 to 2 hours a day. So, when the kids are in school, ganyan, or paggabi after ng duty namin, 1 hour lang gano'n, 1 hour a day. 'Yun, nag-open ako, I do the trainings, I check my training site, ganyan. I learn about the business, mga 1 hour lang. Yung instead na manood ako ng Netflix dati, ganyan sabi ko, "Shucks hindi makapanood ng kung anong mga K-drama ko," mga gano'n. Pero yun sabi ko, "Manood na lang ako sa weekend," mga ganyan. So, I allocate time, like pockets of time, like kung mga bata nasa school, ganyan, or after kung habang naglalaba ako, nakikinig ako ng mga online, videos, ganyan, and training sa business natin, ganyan. So yun, talagang time management lang talaga. And then eventually yun, nung na mga bata is full-time na silang nasa school. So I have like from 9 ngayon, 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock bago sunduan ulit. So that's like my time for the business while doing my chores around the house. Pag off ako.
Okay.
Yun.
Very flexible na yung time mo, 'di ba? Because of this business. But when did you start to feel the shift? Yung not just your income, but in your confidence, mindset, and your lifestyle.
So, last year siguro within mga 3 months of me being in the business, so talagang consistent talaga ako, inaaral-aral ko. Kasi ayoko din na mag-start ng business na wala akong alam, ganyan, and just to rely on people. Although our community is very supportive. We have mentors. My mentor is sobrang very supportive. He's also your mentor. She's
Yes.
very supportive. Our coach is very supportive. And all the people in our team are all very supportive. Like, ang bilis lang nilang i-ask, ganyan. Anytime nagre-reply sila. But of course, I also want to learn for myself. So eventually, nung naaral ko na how it works, so doon ako nag-start na magkaroon ng confidence. Kasi naisip ko, okay, so this is how it works. If people ask me, I know what I'm gonna say. It's not like nangangapa ako na walang alam. Alam ko how it works now, ganyan, what it is all about. So doon ako naging confident. And then when I started doing my marketing online and people are keep on asking me, parang nahasa din ako sa pagsagot. Ganyan. Kasi wala din akong business background. This is my first time doing any business. I'm not very techy as well. So, alam ko lang mag-post-post lang and, mag-scroll-scroll on Facebook and Instagram, but hindi din ako mateki. But because of the trainings, natuto ako ng mga AI tools, Canva, ito, having live with StreamYard, ChatGPT and other AI tools, DeepSeek, yung mga hindi ko alam yun dati, but because it's all in the training, so it gave me confidence na, shucks, mayroon pa pala akong kayang gawin aside from being a mom and being a nurse. Yun.
Yes. Same with me. Hindi rin ako marunong before. Kahit mag-edit ng video, kailangan ko pang mag-ask from somebody else para ma-edit yung video. Now lang ako talaga natuto sa mga AI tools, Canva, CapCut, as in sa training natin, doon ako talaga natuto. Talaga yung personal growth talaga. Super, super nakakatuwa.
Oo, 'di ba? Makukuhan ka na, shucks, alam kaya ko pa pala 'to, ganyan. Minsan kasi iniisip ko
Yes.
parang at my age and being a mom, ang busy-busy ko, parang kaya ko pa bang mag-learn ng new skills? Pero naisip ko din na if you really put your mind into it, you can really do it. Kasi it's just also recent na natuto lang din akong mag-drive. Sa Pinas, hindi ako nagda-drive, pero dito nag-aral akong mag-drive. Kasi kumbaga na-push ako kasi mayroon akong 3 anak na kailangang ihatid sa school. Parang gano'n. Pag umuulan palagi, ang hirap, kawawa din sila, kawawa din ako na maghahatid. So talagang na-push ako. So I feel like kung yung mindset mo talaga is you really want to do something, you will really learn eh. You will really learn. Tayo nga, di ba, ilang taon tayong nag-aral as a nurse. Hindi naman natin alam maging nurse in the beginning, but when you put your mind into it na kailangan ko ipasa to, kailangan kong maging nurse, gusto kong graduate, talagang magagawa mo. So it's the same thing. Kung talagang gusto mo, maraming paraan. Minsan kung ayaw, yun lang talagang maraming excuses, maraming dahilan. Ganun.
Yung mindset talaga, di ba? For personal growth.
Mm.
So now that you're working part-time as a nurse and earning more from your business, what have changed in your life and in your family?
So yun, now I'm working part-time. So wakas pinayagan na ako nung asawa ko na mag-part-time. Kasi nga, yeah, I'm earning in the business now like around 4 figures in a month. So it is a really big help for us. Kasi sometimes it's even more than my part-time salary as a nurse. So malaking tulong siya. Last year, we were able to go on holidays. Every time makareceive ako ng commission from my bank account, sabi ko, i-book ko agad to. Kasi parang feeling ko, parang bata na deprive. Parang ganon. I've been here in the UK since 2016. So can you imagine how many years na kaming nakatira dito pero hindi kami nagta-travel before. So yun, so talagang every time i-book ko agad ng holiday, book ko agad ng, tapos yung asawa ko naman, sige, kasi nakita niya, nakita din niya yung effort that I put into the business and nakita rin niya na na-enjoy ko siyang ginagawa. So nung sinabi ko, mag-part-time na ako, sige, mag-part-time ka na, wag ka nang mag-extra shift din and all. So yun. So tapos yun nga, I'm only working Mondays and Fridays now. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I'm at home. Pag yung mga bata, they're at work. That's the time that I do the business. And I'm more happier now. Hindi na ako dragon mom. not as much. Minsan dragon pa din. Pero not as much kasi now I'm a bit more well-rested na, nakakatulog na ako. Minsan dati, iniisip ko, shucks, magda-3 long days ako. Shucks, meron akong 4 days this week. Yung week before pa lang, iniisip ko na yun, nai-stress na ako. Stress na talaga ako. Laging sinasabi ng asawa ko, ano ba, next week pa yun? Kaya sabi ko, shucks, meron dami kong duty, mga ganyan, may training, may ganito pa ako, ganyan. So, ganun ako dati, laging stress. Pero ngayon, nagigising na ako na masaya, gano'n. So, I feel that I'm now a better mom and a better wife to my husband as well. Kasi parang, yun nga, iba talaga yung dating kapag nakaka-relax ka na hindi ka masyadong maraming, alam mo yun, although hindi naman nauubos yung problema and stresses in life, but somehow nabawasan because of what this business has been providing us. Ayun.
Wow. Ano naman yung ma-advice mo sa mga moms and OFW na nanonood or manonood ng replay later? Yung mga natatakot, scared sila to take the first step. Same with you before, same with me before. Bago ako
Hmm,
mag-start, lahat tayo 'di ba takot. So ano naman yung
yes.
maa-advise mo sa mga manonood ng replay natin and kung may nanonood ng live?
So, ang ma-advice ko lang talaga is, think of your,
Oh,
life
si
now.
Reg, she's
Yeah, think of
watching.
your life now. If you're happy where you are, that's well and good. But think of the future, like 5 years from now. Where are you now? Yun lagi yung kwan eh, mapapaisip ka talaga hanggang kailan mo kayang gawin yung ginagawa mo ngayon. Hindi naman tayo forever bata. Yung mga anak natin, hindi sila forever bata. Parang ganun. So, if you're happy with where you are, congratulations. I'm very, very happy for you as well. But, me is, I wanted something more. I wanted something out of this life. I feel like we're not just here just to survive. Alam mo yun, we're made for something
Mm.
more. Yun. So God has given us yung kids at natin to enjoy this life that He has given. Parang He has brought me here in the UK for a purpose, not just to work, work, work until I die. Parang gano'n. Yun. So, I know you're scared. Nakakatakot naman talagang mag-start ng something new. But what my advice is, you really have to research it, have a look. Don't just always be negative, ganyan. Because if nothing changes, nothing changes. It's gonna be always the same. So yun, if you want something more with life, like just have a look. I know it's not for everybody, but it might be for you. You never know. So you also have to do your diligence, like do research, check if it's really legitimate. Kasi here online, there's so many things that that can be a scam. Na-scam na rin kami nung husband ko before as well. Ang sakit-sakit kasi talagang pinaghirapan mo and then nawala. So you really
Yes.
have to look. But what I can really say is this business has changed so many people's lives. So if that is able to happen to a lot of people, why can it not happen to you? So have a look. If you have any questions, me and Atilor are here. You can send us a message, or you can ask us questions, and we would gladly help and answer your questions. If it's not for you, it's okay, but it might be for others as well who are looking for something else. Even if sa tingin mo it's wala kang time, kaya basta yun nga, tulad ng sinabi ko, basta gusto, maraming paraan.
Yes.
Gagawan ng paraan. And pray for it as well, pray for it, because if you're praying for something, if you're praying for God to change your situation or give you something different, this might be the answer as well kung para sa to. Yun lang.
Yes. And if gusto mo talaga ng changes sa life mo, kung pare-parehas everyday the same ang ginagawa mo, 'di ba? So I think you need to make a different change, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Go out of your comfort zone. Baka itong business na ito na talaga yung makapagpabago ng buhay mo, 'di ba? Super
Hmm.
inspiring, Idol Steph.
Ay,
Thank
grabe
you
naman
so
akad
much.
ikaw pa yung idol ko, galing-galing mo nakapag-live ka
Thank
palagi.
you so much for this
Ah,
interview.
thank
So
you
from
as
a
well for
full-time,
having me.
you're welcome. From a full-time nurse, stress and stretch to a confident mompreneur earning more online while working part-time. Oops, it's not magic. It's mindset, courage, and the right system talaga. Kung kaya niya, kaya ko, kaya nating lahat, di ba? So if you prayed for another way, maybe this is the sign. Comment info lang kayo or direct message us to learn more about this business. Or you can sign up on my website at www.loriramos.com or kay Mom Idol Staff www.lifewiththeyaps.com. So don't wait for someday. Create that someday now. Thanks for joining us and a big hug to our guest for sharing her truth. Let's go after freedom together. Earn smart, live free. Thank you, Steph.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Ate.
Till next
Bye,
time.
everyone. See you next time. Thank you.
Thank you so much.